First of all, I have like a super dramatic background going on right now. Of course, I'm already in a new country. I've moved on from Amsterdam and I'm in a new country that you'll be hearing about very soon. But I had to get this video out first. I'm so backed up. I still have country 108 to show you guys. That video should be out within the next few days. But I really wanted to get this video out because you guys were asking for it for a long time. If you haven't been like a long-term follower of mine, maybe you don't know that I moved to Amsterdam. When was it? At the end of last year. I'm trying to live a semi-normal life for once in my life. I'm trying to kind of balance being normal and being a traveler because for most of my adult life, I have been traveling and not really living like normal people, you know? I've been country to country to country to country to country. Anyways, so yeah, I'm in Holland and I will spend the time that I'm not traveling because of the life I live. I'm always changing countries. I'm doing crazy stuff like skiing in Georgia, not the state, the country Georgia in the Middle East, or I'm skydiving, or I'm, you know, just have a long travel day, or, you know, switching time zones all the time. So my health is very important, and two things I can't go without are my fave, which is the Greens Superfood Blend from Teamy. I hope it's focusing for you guys. Well, the one thing I've been loving to do with this Superfood Greens powder blend is mixing it with the oat milk. I love this specific oat milk. I mix it with oat milk. I don't do anything else to it and I drink it like that. It's so good. I realize after I have Starbucks, I don't feel good, and so I've been trying to cut it out 100%. I am not a coffee drinker at all. Coffee makes me feel terrible. I hate the smell. I hate the taste. I don't really feel like it's good for you. I feel like it's kind of like a drug. I'm not a coffee drinker. I know a lot of people are. I'm not. And coffee, I'm definitely a matcha girl. So when I go to Starbucks, I've been ordering matcha lattes for years. It's my favorite drink. And the reason I've been able to stop buying that drink is because of this superfood green powder. Because superfood blend greens powder. This stuff, I can make it taste very similar but healthy, and afterward I feel amazing. It's got matcha, spirulina, and wheatgrass. It's amazing stuff. Wheatgrass, chlorophyll powder, spirulina powder, chlorella powder, spinach leaf powder, broccoli powder, kale powder, kelp powder, rocket leaf powder, parsley powder, celery powder, grapeseed extract, dandelion extract, matcha powder, acai berry, Garcinia cabogia extract, and it's plant-based caffeine. I can't really do caffeine. I love water and I love my matcha. Get into some overnight oats or your oatmeal or whatever. This is amazing stuff. If I don't take that, I take what I'm actually drinking right now, which is in here. I love this stuff. It's the Gut Love. I'm basically out. But I love the way this stuff tastes. And it's basically gone. Gut Love, probiotic, and prebiotic power. Triple berry flavor is the one I have. It's delicious. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. And this just makes sure that everything's moving, you know. I eat a lot of different foods from around the world, constantly changing countries and food. I'm still trying to get used to the food here in Amsterdam. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not my favorite food in the world. I appreciate it. I know there's so many cultures in Amsterdam and so many cultures in Holland and all that good stuff, but I know I can go get a different culture food, but But all I'm saying is I'm constantly changing countries, constantly changing, you know, the foods I eat. My gut health is very important, and I love this gut love. I'll have it linked down below for you guys as well, and my discount code, so you guys can get 20% off your order. It'll be in the description box, MJ20. And yeah, actually, I need to show you guys my apartment. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my Amsterdam apartment. Yes, I still am on a journey to visit every country in the world, but my home base is Amsterdam, and I love Amsterdam, and I love having a place of home base that I can come to and take a bit of a break from the challenge, which I'll be back to in just a week and a half. I just needed a little bit of a downtime, and I wanted to show you guys my Amsterdam apartment. So without further ado, I'll show you guys around. This is the living room area. Really clean, really open, really nice view. Outside as well. I get to see what everyone else is doing. And they can see what I'm doing because it's quite open. So here's the kitchen. Let me back it up a little bit. Here's the kitchen area. I'm a little zoomed in. Quite basic. We've got stuff for tea here, the sink. Under here is my refrigerator, storage area. Here, here's the oven with the vent. It's just a really basic. Oh, yeah. Here is my dishwasher. Here, I love how everything's kind of tucked away. You've got to open everything up. Another storage area, and here's my oven, and the vent is here. Stove, not oven. Stove, and the vent is here, and the oven is here. I'm always sitting here and like doing work, always snacking on strawberries. They're so good here. Netherlands, strawberries are delicious. Here are all my necessities. Here is the washing machine, iron, all that good stuff. And here's my closet. Here's another closet space where I keep my suitcases. Here's another closet space. So all the rest of this is just closet space. And this is the laundry. And if you turn this way, it's my bed. My bed's in a little nightstand area where I keep my electronics. And this is a bathroom. Got a little tub. Just stay here. You know, I had a bath in there earlier, so cleaned up a little bit. And then if you just come this way is this shower. Little standing shower, and usually in Amsterdam the toilets are separate. I just got here from Qatar, so I was unpacking a bit. I need to tidy up a lot. Tidy up a little bit. By the way, I love this hair oil so much. Oh my word, I need to get another one. The girl who owns this, it's not focusing. There we go. The girl who owns this is actually from Amsterdam. Gesol hair, honey. Negan, she's from, anyways, this stuff is amazing. Random. This is the bathroom. Also love this hair mask. I got it in Qatar. Amazing. It's in Adaby. But it's the banana hair food mask. Amazing. Also, I picked this up in Qatar. Black seed oil. Oh my gosh, so good for your hair. Makes your hair really, really strong and really shiny, which is probably my two main hair goals. I need shine, I need strength. Anyways.